We'll guide you through how to remove permission and access from Google Drive. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Drive. So perhaps previously you went and shared something or gave somebody access and permissions for a file or whatever in Google Drive. You've now gone and changed your mind and you want to go and remove that access. We're going to guide you through step by step how this can be done so they can no longer go and access it or maybe go and edit it. We're going to guide you through this. So first of all, come to Drive as I already have. And then what you can do is go and locate the file or whatever it is you want to do it with. In this case, I've got a Google Sheet, but it could be different things as well. What you can do is go and click on it and press the three dots at the top bar, or you can just press the three dots in the top right of it specifically, hover over share and then click share. So if you want to go and remove somebody's access or change it, go to the right where it currently says what they can do. And you could press remove access or just go and make them a viewer or change it. I could go and press remove, let's say, where it says general access, you could go and change it from anyone with the link to restricted. Make sure you press save and that's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.